Moving on to the back side, we're starting off with our no guard all the way open and we're creating our second guideline. We're then going to close the lever midway and all the way closed to help us erase that initial guideline. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to the one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. This guideline is going to be right on top of the occipital bone, so you want to make sure you detail as much as possible and use your corners. Now that we're done softening up the line with the one guard, we can move on to the half guard and erase the line completely. Now we're moving on to our two guard all the way open, and this is going to be right above the occipital bone. Remember, we're going to use this same guard and the lever to soften up the line and get it ready for the 1.5 guard. Now that we're done softening up the line, we can move on to the 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. This guard is very important, especially when you're near the occipital bone. This is going to connect the one guard all the way open to the 2.5 guard. Now we're going back to our two guard all the way open and we're detailing as much as possible. Here I'm using my previous guards, the one guard all the way open, to detail the occipital bone. Moving on to our Annis T outliners, we're going to start off at the bottom and work our way to the top arch using the corners and go as slow as possible, making sure the hair feeds into the trimmer. When using the corner of the trimmer, you want to make sure not to press too hard because you could cut them with the teeth of the trimmer. You also want to take as much time as possible near the lineup area, especially when you're lining up their C-cups, because this is a very easy area to push back and mess up. Before we start our shield work, we're going to make sure we saturate the hair as much as possible so we can get the true length of the hair follow. Now that we're done saturating the hair and combing everything in place and making sure all the tangles are gone, we could create our first guideline at the top of the capitus and then connect it to the sides. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Also, if you made it this far into the video, make sure you leave a comment of my subscriber count down below. Even if you don't, I'm 100% gonna reply to your comment.